Hello kids, today we will start with chapter 1 Law of Motion from class 9. Today we will solve the numerical sums, right? Right now you can see in textbook question number 3. Complete the following tables. In this table you can see the 3 laws of Newton's 3 laws. So we have to complete this table with the help of these formulas. So let's begin. As you can see in the first table, U means initial velocity. U means initial velocity, whereas A means acceleration, which is measured as meter per second square. T means time, and its unit is second. And this is the formula. V means velocity is equals to initial velocity plus acceleration into time. Got it? Now, with the help of this formula, we will find out the actual velocity of the given sum. So, first we will write given U is equal to 2, A is equals to 4, T is equals to 3, and to find what we have to find? Velocity. So, solution, how to do? Formula. What is the formula? V is equal to U plus AT, meter per second, right? Now, we don't know the value of V. V is equals U. क्या है U? 2 plus A 4 into T 3. V is equals to 2 plus 4 3 is a 12. V is equals to 14. What is the unit given here? Meter per second. So, this is my answer. Got it? Now, further move for the second one. This is the first sum. Now, we are doing the second sum. Given. What is given to us? Acceleration is mentioned here, 5. Time is mentioned, it's 2. Velocity is given 20, and we have to find the initial velocity. Okay, with the help of same formula we will find the initial velocity. Now see how. Solution, formula. V is equal to U plus AT, meter per second. V, here we are having the value of V, it's 20 is equals to U. We don't know the U, as we have to find the U, so we will write it as it is. Plus 5 into 2. 20 is equals to U plus 5 2s are 10. Now either you take this one here, so 20 minus 10 is equals to U. Therefore, U is equals to 10. 10 what? What is the unit here mentioned? Meter per second. So, we will write here meter per second. This is our answer. The answer is 10. Got it, student? Now, we will go for the third sum. In third sum, same method, but the formula is different. Which is this formula? This is Newton's second law. Formula of Newton's second law, and this was Newton's first law. Okay. So, what is given here? So, let me write down the given. What is given to us? Initial velocity is given 5, acceleration 12, time 3, and S. S means displacement or distance. So, we have to find the displacement or distance. to find solution. So we are using which formula? Newton's second law. S is equals to ut plus half at square meter. Okay. S we have to find here, so write it as it is. U 5 into what is time here? 3 plus half into what is acceleration? 12 into time 3 square. Either you can write 3 square or 3 into 3. S is equals to 3 5s are 15 plus. Here we can do the cancellation. 2 6 are 12. So 6 into 3 3s are 9. S is equals to 15 plus 6 9s are 54. So 15 plus 54. What is the answer? 15 plus 54. It's 69 meter. What is the displacement or distance? It's 69 meter. Got it? Let's go ahead for the fourth sum. Given U is equals to 7, time is equals to 4 and displacement is given 92. To find, we have to find the acceleration A. With the help of Newton's second law, we will solve this sum. Solution. Formula. S is equals to ut plus half at square meter. S 92, U 7 time 4 plus half into acceleration we don't know, time it's 4 square. Got it? Now 92 is equal to 7 4s are 28 plus, here we can do the cancellation, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so here what we get? 2 4s are 8. 8a. Now take this side. 92 minus 28 plus 8a. Sorry. Equals 8a. Got it? 92 minus 28 is 64 is equals to 8a. Now take this a this side or take this 8 this side, so it will come division. So a is equals to 64 upon 8. A is equals to, in 8 table, 8 8s are 64. So answer is 8. So our acceleration is 8. What is the unit mentioned here? Meter per second square. Meter per second square. Got it? Now, fifth sum. It's about Newton's third law. With the help of Newton's third law, we will solve this sum. Fifth, given U is equals to 4, acceleration is 3 and velocity is given here 8. Got? And we have to find, what we have to find here? Displacement. We have to find displacement. Okay, with the help of this formula, solution, and this is Newton's third law of motion. So what is the formula? V square is equals to U square plus 2as meter per second square. So V here, V square, that means 8 square is equals to U, 4 square plus 2 into A, 3 into S. 8 square, 64 is equal to 4 square, 16 plus 2 3s are 6s. Right, students? Next, 64 minus 16 is equals to 6s. 64 minus 16 is 48 is equals to 6s. Therefore, s is equals to 48 upon 6. Therefore, s is equals to 6 8s are 48 meter. 8 meter. This is our answer. Got it? Now go for the sixth one. What's given to us? Acceleration is given 5. Displacement is 8.4 and velocity is 10. And we have to find initial velocity. To find u. Solution. With the help of Newton's third law, we will find the initial velocity. So what is the formula? V square is equals to u square plus 2as meter per second square. V square. What is V square here? 10 square is equals to u. We don't know u as we have to find the u. Plus 2 into 5 into 8.4. 10 square is equals to 100 is equals to u square plus 2 5s are 10 into 8.4. 100 is equals to u square plus 84. 100 minus 84 is equals to u square. 100 minus 84 is 16 is equals to u square. Therefore, take out the square root. U is equals to 4. 4. What is the unit? Meter per second. So, this is our answer. So, I hope students, you got the answers and you understand how to solve this method and how to use Newton's 3 laws. Thank you.